None other than Miss Elma Budon. Okay, picture! Picture. Okay. So, dahil sa kasipagan na nakakuha sila, nakapagsulisit sila ng more than 4,000. Kalain mo, yaman-yaman ng group na ito. Okay, so our Mr. and Miss Milenio is from Group 3. Okay, so Miss Qatar, Adelaida, and of course, parang hindi prepare, ayaw niya. Okay, may cash, 20 pesos.